Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What are the key benefits of 5G for the energy sector? 5G technology can enable more efficient and sustainable energy management by providing real-time communication between energy production and distribution systems. With 5G, energy companies can collect and analyze data on energy usage patterns, weather conditions, and grid performance, allowing them to optimize energy production and distribution. Additionally, 5G can enable the integration of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, into the grid. How does 5G enable smart homes and buildings? 5G technology can enable smart homes and buildings by providing real-time communication between devices and sensors. With 5G, homeowners and building managers can control and monitor temperature, lighting, and security systems remotely, improving energy efficiency and enhancing overall comfort and safety. Additionally, 5G can enable the integration of smart appliances and home automation systems, providing a more seamless and convenient living experience. What are the key benefits of 5G for the retail industry? 5G technology provides the retail industry with faster data transfer speeds and greater bandwidth, enabling the industry to provide more immersive experiences for customers. This can include augmented reality, AR, shopping experiences, as well as faster checkout processes and inventory management. What are the key benefits of 5G for the entertainment industry? 5G technology provides the entertainment industry with higher data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth, enabling the industry to provide more immersive and interactive experiences for consumers. This can include virtual reality, VR, experiences, real-time streaming of high-definition content, and faster downloads and uploads. How does 5G impact network security? 5G technology offers improved security features over previous cellular technologies. These include stronger encryption, enhanced authentication protocols, and improved network slicing capabilities. However, 5G also introduces new security challenges, such as the need to secure a greater number of devices and applications, as well as potential vulnerabilities in the new network architecture. What is the role of network slicing in 5G technology? Network slicing is a key feature of 5G technology that enables the creation of multiple virtual networks within a single physical network. This allows network operators to customize the network resources and services for different applications, such as IoT, gaming, and AR/VR, and ensures that each application receives the required level of network performance and security. How does 5G impact the telecom industry? 5G technology is expected to transform the telecom industry by enabling new services and revenue streams, such as IoT, AR/VR, and smart city applications. It also offers the potential for greater efficiency and cost savings through the use of network slicing and virtualization technologies. What are the key benefits of 5G for businesses? 5G technology provides businesses with faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth, enabling new business models and applications, such as remote work and telemedicine. It also offers improved reliability and security, as well as the ability to customize network resources and services through network slicing. What are the key benefits of 5G? For businesses, 5G technology provides businesses with faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth, enabling new business models and applications, such as remote work and telemedicine. It also offers improved reliability and security, as well as the ability to customize network resources and services through network slicing. How does 5G impact the workforce? 5G technology is expected to enable new ways of working, such as remote work and telecommuting, by providing faster and more reliable connectivity. It also offers the potential for greater collaboration and productivity through the use of AR/VR and other immersive technologies. What is 5G technology? 5G technology is the latest generation of cellular technology, providing faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth than previous generations. It is expected to enable new applications and services such as IoT, AR/VR, and smart city applications. What are the key features of 5G technology? Key features of 5G technology include faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth than previous generations of cellular technology. It also offers improved reliability, security, and network slicing capabilities. How does 5G differ from 4G and previous generations of cellular technology? 5G differs from 4G and previous generations of cellular technology by providing faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth. It also introduces new network architecture and security features such as network slicing and improved encryption. What are the benefits of 5G technology? Benefits of 5G technology include faster data transfer speeds, lower latency, and greater bandwidth, enabling new applications and services such as IoT, AR/VR, and smart city applications. It also offers improved reliability, security, and network slicing capabilities. What are the challenges of implementing 5G technology? Implementing 5G technology presents several challenges. One of the biggest challenges is the need for large-scale infrastructure upgrades. This is because 5G technology requires a large number of small cells, which need to be deployed throughout cities and other areas to ensure consistent coverage. Another challenge is the cost of upgrading existing infrastructure to support 5G. This includes upgrading towers, backhaul networks, and other components of the wireless network. Additionally, there are concerns about the availability of the necessary spectrum for 5G, as well as the potential for interference with other wireless technologies. What are the different types of 5G technology? There are two main types of 5G technology: non-standalone, NSA, and standalone, SA. NSA 5G technology relies on existing 4G infrastructure to operate, whereas SA 5G technology operates independently and does not rely on 4G infrastructure. Additionally, 5G technology can be deployed using a variety of frequency bands, including low-band, mid-band, and high-band, also known as millimeter wave or wave frequencies. How does 5G technology work? 5G technology operates on a higher frequency spectrum than previous cellular technologies, which enables faster data transfer rates and lower latency. 5G networks use a combination of small cells, massive MIMO, multiple input, multiple output technology, and beamforming to ensure consistent coverage and reliable performance. Additionally, 5G networks use network slicing to allocate resources dynamically to different types of traffic, which helps to optimize network performance. What is the role of antennas in 5G technology? Antennas play a critical role in 5G technology. 5G networks use a large number of small cells to provide coverage, and each of these small cells requires an antenna. Additionally, 5G networks use massive MIMO technology, which relies on a large number of antennas to transmit and receive data. Beamforming, another key technology used in 5G, also relies on antenna arrays to direct the wireless signal in a specific direction. How is 5G technology expected to impact mobile devices? 5G technology is expected to have a significant impact on mobile devices, enabling faster download and upload speeds, lower latency, and better overall performance. Additionally, 5G technology will enable new use cases for mobile devices, such as augmented and virtual reality applications, as well as improved video streaming and gaming experiences. How is 5G technology expected to impact the Internet of Things, IoT? 5G technology is expected to have a major impact on the Internet of Things, IoT, enabling a wide range of new applications and use cases. 5G networks are designed to support a large number of connected devices with low latency and high reliability. This will enable new IoT use cases in areas such as smart cities, transportation, manufacturing, and healthcare. What are the different types of 5G network architectures? There are several different types of 5G network architectures, including centralized, decentralized, and hybrid architectures. Centralized architectures rely on a central network core, whereas decentralized architectures distribute network functions throughout the network. Hybrid architectures combine elements of both centralized and decentralized architectures. What are the different 5G frequency bands? Several different frequency bands can be used for 5G networks, including low-band, mid-band, and high-band (mmWave) frequencies. Low-band frequencies provide good coverage but lower data transfer rates, while high-band frequencies offer faster data transfer rates but require more infrastructure to ensure consistent coverage. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using higher frequency bands for 5G? One of the advantages of using higher frequency bands for 5G is that they allow for much faster data transmission speeds compared to lower frequency bands. This is because they can transmit much more data over a given period. However, there are also some disadvantages to using higher frequency bands. For example, higher frequency bands have shorter wavelengths, which means that they are easily absorbed by obstacles such as walls, buildings, and trees. This can cause signal interference and reduce the coverage area of a 5G network. Additionally, higher frequency bands require more power to transmit signals, which can increase the energy consumption of 5G devices and networks. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.